Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, as you see, the 8601 has been fitted with its new front bezel, and it is up and running. So that's the original tender that came with it. I threw a couple cars on this, so I thought we'd take it around. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk, and this is exactly why. Okay, that's 50% power. So as you see, it looks like a decent locomotive. You know, the entire front of that boiler was wide open, and yet that 490 bezel fits it like it was made for it. Now, I didn't take a whole lot of pains with this thing. I just threw this together. And as you see, it was an hour well spent, something like that. The motor is like new. The locomotive you can run as is for the rest of your life if you want to. I might go ahead and change that pilot where it's broken. But just wanted to show you what the result is of buying junk on eBay. This was $12. And not only is it running well, I had the fun of bringing this thing back to life. And this thing was dead. It was just broken, and if it hadn't sold on eBay, it would have wound up in a trash can. I guarantee you that. Anyway, offered guy $8. He said 20. I offered 12, and he accepted. And as you see, this thing is running like new. It runs absolutely perfectly. No problem with the motor at all. The motor is like new. It really is. So it's got its new front bezel. I'll add a headlight to it, very likely. Replace that broken pilot. You got a really decent little locomotive for $12. And you had the fun of bringing the thing back to life. As you see, it doesn't look bad at all. So I've got two of these now, and here's the other one. Did exactly the same thing to it. It's got a 490 front bezel on it as well. To replace that front bezel would probably cost more than the locomotive and the shipping combined. This way, it costs nothing. This is junk. This is bottom of the line junk. But as you see, after a few minutes working on it, it's up and running. Not only running, it's running perfectly. That's why I always stress, don't overlook the junk. So many of the stuff goes by the wayside because it looks bad or it's broken. Well, this arrived broken, and as you see, it isn't broken now. It looks nice, it runs nice. If I replaced that pilot, you would never know this thing was ever broken. That front bezel fits that absolutely splendidly. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. You know, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk, and this is why. You can have a lot of fun doing this on an absolute shoestring budget. You see, even close up, that bezel doesn't look bad on there at all. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.